I'm in Buckley, Michigan today. It's the Buckley Old Engine Show. And you can see these are definitely old engines. This one here is an Ajax. I didn't know Ajax was a company that made engines. Sounds pretty good with that straight pipe. Alright, what's this next one here? I don't see any markings on this one. Either way, just another cool old engine. Still runs, obviously. This is a 1940 Superior. It's an oil well engine. 6.5-inch bore, 8-inch stroke. Man, it's cool to see that people keep these things alive.